All right, welcome back to day 4 of 30 days of how to teach abroad. And I am your host, Shanice Whitney. Let's get into it today. Day 4 is all about qualifications. Okay, I still think there's a little bit of confusion about this, so I'm gonna try to make it as clear and concise as possible. When you are thinking about teaching abroad, first of all, there are 2 routes that you can go, okay? You can be a regular classroom teacher, which I've touched on, which is what I am and what I prefer to do, or you can go abroad to just teach English. I'm specifically gonna focus on becoming a full-time classroom teacher because there's a difference there. You need different things. So we're just gonna focus on one thing at a time. So in order to be a full-time classroom teacher, okay, whether that's primary, secondary, elementary, high school, whatever it is, you need your bachelor's degree. Off rip, you gotta have it. So now, within that bachelor's degree, there's 2 different routes that you can take. Okay, you can have a bachelor's degree in a subject, say in math, or you can have your bachelor's degree in education. Okay, so mine is a bachelor's of education. That is what I have. Now, along with that subject degree or that bachelor's degree that is in education, you need to have a teaching license. Doesn't matter. You have to have the teaching license. This is the important part. This is the important part, right? Because you can go and teach math, right? Within your math credentials, your math subject, you're becoming a math teacher, like that's your subject. But you still need to make sure that you are a licensed teacher. You need that paper that says, hey, I took these tests that were expensive and I passed them and I am certified to teach A, B, C, D, whatever it is. Regardless, you have to have, it doesn't matter, because I feel like I keep getting this comment all the time. You have to have a teaching license. Now, sure, there's probably some shady schools that would hire you if you didn't have one. But if you're not trying to be shady, which I hope you're not, and I am not promoting that in any way, shape, or form, okay? You need a teaching license, okay? So subject degree, like, for example, I know that's very common with obviously middle school and high school. Bachelor's of Education, still need my license that says, hey, I'm certified to teach. Mine says I'm certified to teach K through 6, reading and special education. Those are my qualifications. I get questions all the time. Can I teach with a 2-year degree? No. You need a bachelor's. You need a 4-year degree. That is of the utmost importance. Whether it's in a subject base or it's bachelor's of education, and your license that says, I am certified to teach A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You gotta have them, the combo. That's how you're gonna get the job. Now, if you are just trying to go abroad and you just wanna teach English, you can do that with a regular bachelor's degree. Regular bachelor's degree, doesn't matter what it's in. I know that's very popular for people who want to take a gap year. They want to do some extra exploring around Asia. I know that's a very popular route to go to. That's fine. You take that, you show them, hey, whatever, they'll set you up and you can go ahead and just teach English that way. But if you're trying to get to the roll with the big dogs, the big bucks, okay, you need that teaching degree, you need that licensure, and that's it. So I hope this video was very clear. I was trying to talk slow because I know sometimes I talk real fast. So I hope this is clear. Let me know if you still have any questions in the comments below. Stay tuned for day 5, where I'm going to be talking about networking opportunities and how to find jobs. I'm going to be doing a part 1 and a part 2 for that. And don't forget, this Saturday, I looked at the poll, I will be going live on TikTok. Okay, if you're seeing this video anywhere else besides TikTok, Shanice Untethered on TikTok, okay? Saturday, 7 p.m. Qatar time, I will be going live. You may come to the live and ask me any of your questions that you have about life abroad, about teaching abroad, all of that. I am here to help you answer your questions, all of that. So, again, hope this video was helpful. That wraps up day 4. See you tomorrow for day 5.